Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadev Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a diagram which shows a segment of a circle such that CD is perpendicular bisector of the chord AB. Now given that AB equals 36 and CD equals 9, we have to find the diameter of the circle. So in order to proceed further, we need to draw the original circle. So let this be our original required circle, and then we have to draw the chord CD. So this is the chord CD, and this is the chord AB, and the line CD bisects the chord AB like this. Let's expand it. Okay, so this is the center of the circle. Let's join A with O. So we have joined A with O. So this is the radius of the circle, and this point is C. Over here we have B, and this is D. Now since OC, or rather we can say OD, is bisecting the chord AB, and we know that a line from the center, when it bisects the chord, then it is also perpendicular to the chord. So OC is perpendicular to AB. This is a property of the circle, that the line from the center which is perpendicular to the chord AB will always bisect it. Now in the question, since it has been given that CD already bisects the chord AB, so OC should always be perpendicular to the chord AB. Okay, once we have got it, then let's write the data given in the question. So AB is given as 36 units. Therefore AC will be equals AB upon 2, which is equals 18 units. Let radius of the circle be R, as shown in the diagram over here. So R will be equals OA will be equals OD. Now OD can be written as OC plus CD. Let OC equals X units. So OD, which is nothing but R, will be equals OC, which is X units, plus CD, which is given as 9 units. Therefore X will be equals R minus 9 units. Now in triangle OAC, which is right angled at C, in triangle OAC, which is right angled at C, so using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to have OA square equals OC square plus AC square. Now what is OA? OA is nothing but radius of the circle, which is R square. So R square will be equals OC square, where OC is equals X units, so XX square plus AC square, where AC is equals, sorry, I made a mistake, OC is equals X units. Okay, so XX square plus AC is given as 18 units, so it will be 18 square. Now X is R minus 9, so substitute X equals R minus 9, so it will become R square equals R minus 9 whole square plus 18 square. So upon expanding, we will get R square equals R square plus 9 square, which is 81, minus 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by R, which is 18R. So minus of 18R plus 18 square. So 18 square will be equals, wait a minute, so 18 square is nothing but 324. Now R square and R square will cancel out each other. Shift minus of 18R to the left hand side, so it will become 18R, which is equals 324 plus 81, which is 405, right? So R will be equals 405 divided by 18. So R will be equals 405 divided by 18, which is nothing but 22.5 units. Now in the question, we have been asked to find the diameter of the circle. Therefore diameter will be equals 2 times radius So it will be 2 multiplied by 22.5 units, which will give us 45 units. 45 units. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option D is our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.